Hey guys, I just thought I'd share this AI tool with you. It's really awesome. Saves me hours a week. Honestly, hours a week in terms of editing. I'm not a video editor, so I was like, I need to use AI somehow to save time. And so I have this video, top performing posts. It's something I'm working on. It's 28 minutes right now. So we load it in. It can cut silences. It can cut bad takes. It can zoom in on the video and also remove audio noise in the background. So we're gonna let the file prep. Alright guys, so this file has just loaded, and if we look down here at the total edited time versus the total time, we went from 27 minutes or 28 minutes down to 6 minutes. Absolutely insane. So instead of me having to go and manually remove all the uhs, the pauses, the spots where I'm not talking, AI has done that for me. And the other thing that's really amazing is I can edit the video just from the script. So it transcribes the entire video for me. I can highlight and click cut and it'll just remove it completely. So I highly suggest, if you're making YouTube videos, to try this out. It's called Gling. I'm not affiliated or sponsoring them or anything at all. I just think it's a super great tool and I wanted to share it with you guys. So I hope you enjoy, and I'll catch you on the next one.